Should pick that cut back up.
I'm sitting here looking at Keisha like, do you love me? Do you love me not? Damn, you hit the spot. Taste like candy, sweet like fruit, sweet like water. Can I love on you? Love drops, I'm feeling different every day. I need a dose. Every now and then I'm missing. I got my times when I go close. But she mine. I'm stamping her artist status, so them other bitches mad at me too late. Coming through 100,000, I spent that times two on you. Caught myself cause you lose, then I pop back up like me.